Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to create and manage tags in the BotPenguin. Tags are used to segregate the inbox section or the messages or the conversations to have a better track of the customers. So on the left hand side you will see my account section. Just click on it and here you will find the tag section. Go to that section. Here you can see a create tag button. Just click on it. Now here type the name for the tag and click on create tag button. Now you see your tag has been created successfully. To manage these tags, here in the below table you can find that the new tag has been created. You can edit this tag or delete this tag. For editing, just click on this icon. In the edit, you can change the name and click on update tag button. Here you will see that your tag has been updated. By clicking on this delete button, you can also delete the tag. This is how you can manage and create the tags. Thank you very much.